I'm a business coach who specializes in e-commerce. I've worked with e-commerce businesses for years. One of the key challenges new e-commerce stores have is getting to regular monthly income. And there's specific steps you need to take to get there. And that's why I've developed this community to help your store get to around 30K a month on a regular basis. If I can get you to that point, then that proves the concept that your store works. Then it's a different set of skills you need then to scale. And I often work one-on-one with e-commerce business owners to help with that. But this community helps in that initial step. So you might have a store, you might have also already got your products, but your sales just aren't consistent, or they're zero one month, a little bit the next, or you're just not getting any sales at all. Then this is for you. And also, if you're thinking about starting an e-commerce store, this is also a very good place to start as well. In this program, I've got a 6-part training, which we go through the key 6 steps you need to take to get your store up to that level. And that includes designing your product range, pricing your products, setting up your website properly to convert and maximize your average order value, measuring your performance and results and the key things you need to look at, and then setting up a Meta campaign and a Google campaign using both their AI tools. So if you can learn those core concepts, that will give you everything you need to know to get your store to 30K. Also, as well as accessing that training, I will jump on a live coaching call each week to the group, which will give you a chance to ask me questions and I'll help bring that training to life and show you what other people are doing and help you get over any obstacles you might have. Also, there's a discussion board so you can discuss things with all the other members, which are other e-commerce stores just like you. You can help and support each other, get to that point, and you can ask me questions on there as well. And that group is set up, obviously, to get you to that at least 30K a month. And then we work out the next step after that. Now, I'm just starting this up. This is a new program. So for the first month, I am going to offer it at half price. So if you do want to get on board, now's the time to do it. Just click the button below to join. I'll also put a link at the bottom as well, which will give you access to some free training, which is kind of the first module of the program, like an introductory module, which will show you the roadmap you need to follow and the steps you need to take. So if you want to access that just to kind of check out the program a bit more before you invest, just click the link below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you inside. Cheers, guys.